Phonics series group 2. Today we will learn letter D. This is letter D. D says D. D is for dog. D, D, dog. D is for door. D, D, door. The mouth shape will be: open your mouth slightly, place your tongue behind your upper teeth, push the air out with a small burst, feel the air on your hand, and say D. D. Vocabulary regarding letter D. The initial sound of each object will be D. D is for dog. D is for dog. D, D, dog. D is for door. D, D, door. D is for duck. D, D, duck. D is for doll. D, D, doll. D is for drum. D, D, drum. D is for desk. D, D, desk. D is for dress. D, D, dress. D is for donut. D, D, donut. D is for dinosaur. D, D, dinosaur. D is for doctor. D, D, doctor.